Hello everyone, Vincent Cameron here with another video on the crucial ingredients in online business. In this one I'd like to discuss web hosting. Now first of all, what is web hosting? Well, Wikipedia describes it as a type of internet hosting service that allows individuals and organizations to make their own website accessible via the World Wide Web. Web hosts are companies that provide space on a server they own or lease for use by their clients, as well as providing internet connectivity, typically in a data center. So basically, it's your own online hard drive. So the next question is, how do I get set up? Now before we jump into the nuts and bolts of setting ourselves up with our host account, I'd like to go over a few things that I look for before setting up my host. The first thing is unlimited disk space and bandwidth. Now disk space, again, think of it as your hard drive at home. You want this to be as big as possible, preferably unlimited, so you can store as much data on there as possible. Bandwidth. Now bandwidth is used up when people load your website. So for example, every time an image loads or a web page loads or a video or downloadable content, it takes up your bandwidth. So we'd like to have that unlimited so we can grow and drive as much traffic to our business as possible without having it go down. Which brings us to the next thing that I look for is 99.9% uptime. Now this is extremely crucial. You don't want to be at the top of your internet business and have your web host go down and lose hours or even possibly days of sales time. Okay, so 99.9% uptime guarantee is a must. Another thing I look for is the number of subdomains. Now subdomain example is maps.google.com. In this case, maps would be the subdomain. I look for like 10 to 25 subdomains is pretty standard. Unlimited would be great, but 10 to 25 should be more than enough. 24/7 support, you want to have that either through the phone lines or via email, as long as it's 24-hour and you can get your issues rectified immediately. So for example, all of your emails start bouncing back to your clients, your customers, or your users. You want to be able to get that fixed right away. cPanel, MySQL, and CGI scripts. You want to have access to your own cPanel so you can be in control of all the back end of your website. So that's, setting up your own emails, setting up, your SQL databases, which is another must. That allows you to set up things like your own blog. It allows you to set up different forums. It's just so you can interact with your users that much easier. CGI scripts, exact same thing. It allows you to put like forums on your website, surveys, things like this. So these are musts when you just start to scale your business. And the final thing I look for when selecting my host account is longevity. I mean, the company has to have been around for a while. They have to have great reviews. They have to have all of the things that are on this checklist. I just need a solid web host company that I can trust to forward to my clients, use for myself without having to go down or worry at all, really. And I just so happen to have a special offer from me and HostGator for you, my listeners. You'll find the link in the description. It'll take you over for a great discount on their first month on HostGator. It's so great, in fact, you probably won't even believe the price once you've seen the coupon I worked out for you guys. So check that out after the video. For now, let's go online and I'll show you step by step on how to get set up with your very own first web hosting account through HostGator. Okay, so this is the page you guys will land on once you've clicked the link on the special page I've set up for my listeners for HostGator. And again, right here, as it states in the list, unlimited disk space, bandwidth, free site builders, 24-hour technical support. What we're going to want to do is the Hatchling won't do it for us. I'm sorry guys, you're not going to be able to run your entire business for $5 a month, but the baby plan is sufficient. You'll be able to do unlimited domains, unlimited disk space, bandwidth, etc. Have access to your SQLs and all the things that are on our list. What we want to do though, if you're really serious, jump into that business. You can have yourself a dedicated IP address, which means you will not share your host with anybody else. Okay, you'll have like your own cyberspace online for $12.95 a month. You get your toll-free number for free as well. So go ahead and click on the baby plan or business plan, whatever suits you. The budget's not available. Go ahead and snatch up that little baby plan. You're going to want to use the existing domain that we've registered in the previous video for domain registration, and that would have been my vjcameron.com. Click on next. It'll tell you you're going to have to update your name servers with your domain account, which I'll show you guys in the next video. Billing cycle is monthly. If the budget is available, you might want to think about grabbing it up for a year, 36 months. You'll save yourself a little bit of money. Now, with my super duper coupon code, what we're going to get after the grand total and the coupon code is 1 cent. Okay, do you like that, guys? A nice coupon code. You guys are going to get your first month of hosting for 1 cent, courtesy of me and HostGator. I'm a new customer. You're going to want to click on Continue. Fill out your details here. Make sure that you select your proper username and make a note of your username and password. They will send it to you. Credit card information. Read the terms and conditions if you'd like. Go ahead and agree to those. Verify your order. You'll get your confirmation email. And voila! You are now ready to get set up. Attach your domain to your host account and start rocking and rolling. We'll see you guys in the next video.